In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Burger King gift card balance. Whether you're planning to treat yourself to a delicious Whopper or share a meal with friends, knowing your gift card balance is crucial. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Burger King. Hit enter to start your search. This step is foundational because it leads us to the official Burger King website, ensuring that we're accessing the correct information. With the search results in front of you, look for the official Burger King link. It should be one of the top results, often marked with the website address, burgerking.com. Click on this link to navigate to their homepage. It's important to open the correct link to avoid any phishing sites or misleading information. Once on the Burger King homepage, take a moment to find the menu icon. This icon is usually represented by three horizontal bars, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this menu icon to reveal a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Gift Cards. Accessing the gift card section is essential as it directs us to the tools necessary for checking our balance. Now that you're in the gift card section, you should see an option labeled Check Balance. Click on this option to proceed to the Balance Inquiry page. This step is straightforward yet vital because it's the gateway to accessing your gift card details. On the Balance Inquiry page, you will need to enter your Burger King gift card number. This number is typically found on the back of your physical card or in the email if your card was sent digitally. In addition to the card number, you'll also need to input your email address. Make sure to double-check these details before proceeding. Entering accurate information here ensures that you get the correct balance displayed. With your information entered correctly, the final step is to click on the button that says Check Balance. This will process your request and retrieve the current amount left on your gift card. You will see the balance displayed on the screen, giving you immediate clarity on how much you can spend on your next Burger King visit. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to check your Burger King gift card balance. This process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you have access to your card's value whenever you need it. Remember, keeping track of your balance helps you manage your spending and plan your meals effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Enjoy your meal at Burger King, and make sure to check your card balance regularly to avoid any surprises at checkout. Until next time, have a great day.